morning, everybody. Today we are heading into town right now. I had to go get oil and do an oil change because I had no idea how much I had been driving. But I'm at like 7,000 miles, so I should probably do an oil change. I have a gift card to AutoZone. I usually wouldn't go there. I usually go to O'Reilly's, but I want to check out this new oil and see if they have it. I believe it's Valvoline and it's VR1 racing oil, but it's still in a it's either 1540 or 1550. So I'm gonna give that a try and see how it is. It's probably a little more pricey, but if it's fucking racing oil and high in zinc, and if you guys don't know, zinc is really good for your bearings, and it basically is what keeps them like lubricated and kind of keeps the viscosity through them, I guess. I don't really know how to explain it, but zinc is kind of thick stuff that just really helps with maintaining your bearings health and all your engine internals. So those high zinc oils are usually pretty good. Before, I used to run the STP oil additive that had zinc in it. Someone said don't do it because these new oils have zinc, and I have yet to find an oil that has zinc. So that's why we're gonna try this VR1. So we'll give that a go. Hopefully everything runs good and keeps good oil pressure. So yeah, we're gonna head down there now and grab some of that. All right, if you guys don't know by now, it wouldn't be a normal day without grabbing Dunkin'. So that's where we're going now. Just a quick detour. Well, got our coffee. We just made it all our own, so I'm gonna run in, grab the oil, the filter, and I'm pretty sure it's like a 303 or 3003, whatever brand you're buying filter for these trucks. All right, guys, so AutoZone did not have the gallons of the VR1 shit that I wanted, so we're gonna head over to O'Reilly's real quick, even though it's gonna cost me more out of pocket. I really wanna try this stuff out. I think it's gonna be really good. It's 2050, and it's high zinc, you know, like I was saying, so I'd really like to run this, and hopefully I'll be able to make everything last a little longer. So we'll go over there and see what they got. Alright guys, we were not able to get our hands on the VR1 racing oil, so I'm pretty sure I was in another town when I went to the O'Reilly's where it's at. So I just grabbed Delo 400, or Delo, or whatever you want to call it, and we're just going to do a normal oil change because that's what they had. So yeah, head back and do that now, and we're trying to find a car show or something fun to go to. It's gonna be kind of a slow day if we don't really do anything else, so we'll see what happens and get this oil change done at least. So I do this to myself every time I want to do something like change the oil or the transmission fluid. Decided to take my truck to go get it, which makes it really hot. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a little while before I do this. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little while before I do this, but it'll probably be like 2 seconds for you guys, but probably gonna let it cool off for like an hour just so I don't completely destroy myself. In the meantime, I might rinse off the camper though. It's looking a little dirty, so I might give it a quick wash, and yeah, I'm a fucking idiot. Alright guys, I'm sick of waiting, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. I know I did one in the past video. Oh yeah. But just so you know, well, just in case you're wondering, this is how the downpipe works with the twin turbo kit. It's just a big 4-inch downpipe. Just cut it, bam, right in. That's what's up. So anyways, right here underneath the truck, here's a transmission pan, oil pan. It's well, I thought it was a 15, but I think it's a 5/8. Anyways, drain plug out. Oil filter off, let it drain, put them back in, and repeat the process. I know I already did this, so I'm not really gonna film it, and just needs to happen. I drive so damn much that I gotta do it all the time, so do it now and we'll be back. All right, so just one thing I want to talk about real quick is the end of this oil drain plug is a magnet, so you always kind of want to check it, make sure you don't have a lot of like wear, and I didn't really have too much, which is really good. So just something to check while you're draining your oil, make sure nothing's messed up too bad. That's a good indication for any, you know, bearings wearing away too quick or anything. So just kind of sets you up for what you might need to be doing soon. Alright guys, so oil filter's on, drain plugs in after draining all the oil. We got this bad, Larry. It's a 2.5 gallon jug, so Duramax take 10 quarts, so we can just pour the whole thing in and be done. Easy day. Easy day. So we're gonna do that now. I'm gonna try and go and wash my undercarriage too after this, so I gotta see what Tristan's doing. He just bought some crazy contraption, so we'll see. We'll see if we can go do that too. Might make for an interesting new way for you guys to wash your undercarriage of your truck. Alright, so it's time to start filling her up. Buying these jugs makes the easiest oil change for a Duramax because it's 10 quarts. You just pour it in, you're done, you know it's the right amount. Unless you're doing, some of those people do the, it's like, I don't even know what it is. I forget what it's called. But they don't drain all their oil. They do like partial oil changes or whatever, where they change like the filter and change a gallon out or a few quarts or something. I forget the name of it. I don't think it's relevant, but some people do it to save money. Oil analysis or whatever it is. So, well, now we'll start it up and hopefully be all good. Alright, so one of the issues with the twin turbo kit is this is where, I don't know if you can see this, this is where the oil dipstick is. I don't know if you're supposed to move it or whatever, but it's basically kind of a pain in the ass to get. But we're just gonna check the oil. Wipe it off real quick. But it really makes it difficult because there's like no room to grab the little ring. So it becomes kind of a hassle. But gotta pay to play, right? So oil's good. So that about finishes up our oil change. So at least that's done. I can reset my gauge and drive another few weeks and then do another one. Alright guys, we are out here with Tristan. Met back up with him today. And we'll be washing the trucks. So, got some fancy contraptions. We're going to do the undercarriage and then might do some waxing. So, should be finally clean underneath. I was working on it today. I wasn't ever going to clean the undercarriage and then I got dirt in my eye today and it was pretty fucking frustrating. So, yeah, we'll get to washing. just washing the truck, so it looked pretty good. The foam cannon worked great. Well, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Just kind of chilled out, did some upkeep on the Duramax, keeping it good. So gotta, you know, it's a daily for now. Yeah, if you guys didn't get in the last video, go back and watch it and tell me what you think about the shirts. So I'm probably gonna get those made soon, and if you guys want to buy them, I'm gonna be selling them. So it's all about Duramax talking dirty. All right, go ahead, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.